That's lightning.
Full-blown heavy crew of Groms coming down the street this morning. This is great. Look at these guys. Heavy crew.
Yard. Yard. Yard.
Yo, that board's fresh.
Dude, I got the penny wheels on it for $100.
Dude, did I ruin your morning?
Dude, not at all.
Were you going for a surf sesh with the boys?
Not me. Not me.
Why not? Too cold for Mackie still?
Yeah, it's 60. I told you 60 is when I get in.
Same vibe. Alright, suiting up. Session's on. Don't know how long it's gonna last. It just got real dark clouds over here. But we're on it for the dream. Woo! Good morning.
That's lightning. This is scary. This is very scary. I'm scared. I'm literally on the rocks. I feel like I'm the highest point ever. Like, yikes. It's insane! Big yikes, yo. Big yikes. Big yikes.
What's the claim? It was a storm. I can't believe Mackie was out there. I asked him, yo, do you want an umbrella? He goes, no, I'm good. And he pulls out a beanie and puts it over his lens. And then this happened. You're a legend, Mackie! Woo! Yes. It's firing and it's getting better, dude. I'm just gonna sit in here. How long is it gonna go? Rob said it's gonna pass really quick, he said. I don't know. Whoa. Whoa. They feel sponsored by that gravy. Dude, I gotta get in here. Woo! Woo! Alright. If you guys couldn't already tell, it's gnarly out. Woo! Right now. It is gnarly. Woo! Woo!
Good reaction time.
Dude, my brain has just darn.
Where's the 6K on this one?
Sleeping in. Setting up his gimbal.
It just feels good, dude. It just feels good. Like when you finally decide on the zone that you're gonna rip, it just feels good.
That's it right there.
Oh, and I'm catching one of the sets as we speak. Wow.
Come like a month from now when it's dead flat, we'll be dreaming for a day like this.
June 14th.
We gotta get on it.
We'll be dreaming, dude. June 14th, Ryan Mac. Pay attention. Don't go home and catch up on sleep when it's firing.
And I want my count or my magazine.
Yeah. Did you order the mag or did he give you a discount?
I paid full price.
Me too. Talk to me, dude.
You kill the spirals and shit. Look at this fuck right here.
What did you just say?
Kill the spirals and shit. Look at this. Kill the spirals and shit. Look at this.
Somebody about
that spider. Look at this guy.
Wow.
I was in my Burger bathroom. I killed the spirals and shit. Look at this.
There's nothing like a freshie. Woo! Summer 2000. Holographic.
Stickies.
Summer 2020. 4 feet, 10 inches of absolute glory. We're gonna wax it up, put the fins in, and we're gonna have ourselves a day. You. So stoked. Rope City. Fresh outlook on life.
Mackey's trying to clear his head after a big weekend.
All right, we're here to remind you guys, it's not always perfect. It's not always the endless summer out here, but you gotta embrace it. You gotta enjoy your sessions, enjoy your time here on this beautiful earth. This is my son. We just found out that I'm the father. Man, I f***ed up. All right, we're going out. Yoo-hoo! What do you got there? Nice. Are you stoked?
Are you stoked? Yeah. I'm stoked.
Yeah? What's your claim?
What's your claim, mate? Well, it's just getting to PA and then getting back to here.
Heavy claim.
We're in the middle of moving here.
Same claim as earlier. You got a claim?
I'm claiming that bucket seat's pretty sick.
Oh, thank you. Want to get it?
Show me your sticker.
Where's your sticker, Harlow? Show Ben.
You being shy? No worries.
She's starstruck. Thanks, man.
No worries. See you guys. Heavy crew. You guys
Yeah,
gotta
Grumps.
make a heavy claim though.
You guys got.
What's your claim?
I don't know.
You don't got one?
Nuking.
Yeah, I like that. Hey, the boys.
The boys.
You. You got it?
I'm not really good with it.
Oh, you're all good.
It's all good.
Dude, there's a lot of similarities between us.
Yeah.
Yeah. We live in the same area.
Not for long.
We both love surfing.
Yeah.
Live on the same street.
Not for long. Couple more days.
There's one major key difference between us.
You surfing that film?
I'm gonna go home and sit in a hot tub. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go home and get a hot shower. Two different things, but they're still hot.
Heavy sesh. The groms were fired up.
Yes, they were.
We got some good ones, dude.
Darn, for sure.
Couple reverses. The new board's
That little
flying.
tube?
Oh yeah.
Forgot about it
Full
already?
tubo? Well, I forgot about it. And the dream continues, so we're out of here. You.
Oh, and then you're gonna hop in your hot tub.
Not the worst vibe.
Not the worst vibe, but the best vibe. Should we vlog today? We haven't vlogged.
I vlog every day. Oh, baby. Not the worst life. Dude, 104 is a little hot. Is this the dream right now? Oh, no way. Wow.
Are you in it?
Wow.
Does it actually feel hot this time?
Dude.
Is it dirty? It feels hot, but not that hot.
Are you kidding me? I was just saying it's too hot.
If I could stick my whole hand in there.
There's levels. There's levels to this.
We might need to get you a floating tray.
Mhm.
So you can just float
Mhm.
and eat at the same time.
It's kind of a pain in the ass to like.
It's kind of like you're living a lap of luxury.
Mm-hmm. This is success, people. All right, guys, I was here sitting in my office working on the next piece of gold material for your entertainment. And my intern, Jordan Verney, decided to open a package and bring it to me. A package that was addressed to only me. And here we go. It's a good one, people. We're going in, baby. There's no name, no return address, no nothing. All that we know, literally, all that we know. Look at this, check this out. You guys are gonna freaking lose your mind. You're gonna trip out. All we know is it's from Fry91C22JVVFL at marketplace.amazon.com.
So someone found these. And
Someone
it said-
found them online and sent them here. I don't know how people get my address, but they get it. So thank you. Huge shout out to anyone.
You didn't even show them.
Huge shout out to the person. I'm getting there. Huge shout out to the person that sent us these beanies. You're a total legend. I really appreciate it. These things are classic. Look at them. Got pineapples. So, Stoke's on. Thank you for the win.
I hate when you film me doing this kind of stuff. This isn't
Are you kidding right now?
It pisses me off.
Yo, you kidding right now? You dead ass.
No, it pisses me off because I do a lot more than this. You always get me when I'm just trying to clean up. Stop!
That hurts, Jordan. Hurts my heart.
Like, is my paint? That's not done yet. Is my painting in the vlog?
What painting?
Like my painting outside.
When I painted the back wall?
When I painted the back wall, is it out there? I look weird.
Dude, I have to get ready for my interview. Stop distracting me.
What?
All right, guys, I'm about to go on the Late Night with Choggy podcast, and it's a big deal, and Jordan's not even respecting it for...
Oh, okay. Make everybody think I'm...
So, here we go, I guess.
Yeah, here we go, I guess.
Wish me luck.
Hopping on a call is epic.
No worries. I'm filming right now. Dude, I'm filming right now, don't worry.
Sick.
There you go, say what's up.
What up? Cross promotion. I love it.
Friends and family, brothers and sisters, welcome to the Late Night with Chalky podcast.
Welcome. This week's guest is a YouTube sensation, only surfer to ever surf all 50 states. Welcome to the podcast, Ben Gravy.
Stoked to be here, guys. Thanks for having me, boys.
Dude, epic, man. All I'm gonna say is I have an 11-year-old and he subscribes and he loves your show.
Awesome. Tell him I said what's up. And I was still like trying to hunt the novelty dream because I was so stoked on the Sebastian Inlet wave I found. I went down to Heritage and I got one of their lesson boards because I needed it because the waves were so small where I was trying to surf. So there's a wave down here in the bay that I call Skeleton Bay. And I went down there and surfed that. And that was the first time that I really ever had like novelty wave success, I would say. Because I put that video up and I guess I nailed the thumbnail or the title or something. At the time, my vlogs were getting like 500 views maybe. And that video got like 12,000 views overnight. And it was like, what? And I was like, whoa, dude, what is this? Like, what's happening?
So you're like, oh, I got to do this every day to get that return.
Exactly. So I said, what's the gnarliest novelty wave I can think of? And I thought of surfing the wake behind the Cape May Lewis Ferry, which is at the south tip of New Jersey. The ferry goes across the Delaware Bay and goes to Delaware. So when that boat leaves, I had to go do research first because like I heard about it. Like I had heard that Dean Randazzo surfed it like in the 80s. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go.
Jersey Devil.
I'm gonna go try this legendary thing out. So I went down. I had to do research and I watched the wave break across. The boat leaves and it just goes grinds across. So I went down the next day and I actually missed it a couple times. Well, I didn't miss it. The boats came in and the tide was too high and there was no wave. So like I was down there all day waiting. But yeah, I eventually got one and it wasn't 3 foot. It was like a knee-high wave, but I rode it all the way across, like fully just behind the boat, all gnarly. And that was the first time like I put that up and like that video got like 300,000 views. And then,
oh my God.
And then like Stab Magazine took it off my Instagram and they posted it and it went viral on there.
Who was videoing these? You were still using the camera on the beach?
No, for the ferry, dude, I invited like 2 of my friends and then my girlfriend filmed and then I had the GoPro and like we went full out like production for that one.
Yeah. If we're going to do this, I got 1 shot. We got to have 4 angles.
Exactly.
What to do.
All right. Huge shout out to Jay Larson and Chalky. Thank you guys for having me on the podcast. We just hit the hot tub. Where's Jordan? We just hit the hot tub and now we're about to go to bed. But the backyard paradise is honestly too paradise. We just hang out in it all the time now. And dude, I'm actually going full beard, so I need to chill. Like I have a problem. Anyway, thank you guys for another epic day. Nub Nation for the win. I love you guys. The dream is real. The dream is realer than ever because you and me, we're going to wake up tomorrow and we're going to make something epic happen. That's what it's all about. So thank you guys for everything. Nub Nation for the win. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow for another vlog.